Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to turn on or off the Wazers feature in the Waze app on your phone. Whether you want to see other drivers on the map or prefer a cleaner view, this simple setting lets you control it. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Next, from the menu options, scroll down and tap on Settings. Then, find and select Map Display. Next, scroll down through the map display settings until you find the option labeled Wazers. This option controls whether you see other Waze users on the map while you are driving. To turn this feature on, simply tap the toggle switch to the right so that it is enabled. To turn it off, tap the toggle again to disable it. Finally, once you have set the Wazers option to your preference, you can exit the settings and return to the main map screen. Now you will either see other drivers on the road or have a cleaner map view depending on your choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.